I hoped never to see you again.
What's up, dog?
We're back. Ladies, nobody gave a shit about the Jump Street reboot, but you got lucky. So now this department has invested a lot of money to make sure Jump Street keeps going. The only problem is the Koreans bought the church back, so we're moving you across the road to 22 Jump Street.
You two sons of bitches are going to college.
Fuck yeah.
What? Quiet bathrooms.
Fuck. I'm not gonna take a shit the entire time we're here.
We'll go around to classes and activities, ask around about the drug, find out who the dealer is.
Do we look older or does everyone in college look like babies?
Some of us are trying to study, so can you take it down to a level of shut up?
Is this the level you're looking for?
You look really old, too. You look old as shit to be here.
White boy wasted.
Partners for life.
White boy wasted.
It's just drinking games and bonding. Why is that so painful for you?
No. You cannot hug me right now.
Drunk stagger, drunk swagger. I don't rap good, it don't matter.
We Jump Street, and we're about to jump in your ass.
Right in the crack.
White boy wasted.
We need an expert to consult.
Listen, Mr. Walters, I should apologize if
Or shooting my penis off? Well, don't sweat it. They gave me a vagina. Hey, guess what? I'm Eric's bitch.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am! You own this ass!
Oh my god.
Hey, Eric.